This is a Varta charger discharger UL10. This is from NSYS. It looks like it's in German with a rundown of what we got here. And then there's some release forms. This says Hawker, so I'm not sure which is which. Anyways, this looks like a calibration form in German, dated 2014. Government says they paid just over $35,000 for this unit, so it's something. I just don't know how this thing is set up. This is the paper that goes into this unit right here. The unit is new. There's no signs of any use. It's got these, two of these. They call them a hold down blue something. So it's got two of those. It's got this that says it is a quick disconnect. And it's got this that says it's a connector CPL with the prongs and everything. It's got 3 sets of these wires, battery cable plus, battery cable minus, and a ton of rolls. The unit is 220 single phase. And like it's got where the two things plug in, and you can see we got it powered on right now. Come around the back here, and I'll have to get a picture of this because I don't think my camera is going to focus on it. Yeah, I'll take a picture of it. Got a nice quiet running unit. Doesn't say anything. So the reason I made the video is, well, I wanted to just go through this menu system with you guys. So it says no battery, and you click it once, it says PB battery sealed MIL. I hit next, it says PB battery sealed commercial. Next again, PB battery vented commercial. NiCad battery. NiCad battery Varta. NiCad battery SAFT. NiCad battery NKBN. And then back to no battery. E selects battery, and then I'm in discharge mode, I imagine. And voltage power supply, printing protocol, language, date, time set, discharge. Okay, and then so let's go into language, date, enter. I can go German, English, French, or Russian. And let's see if there's more here. No, I can change the date. Oh, I think I just switched it out of English. I absolutely just switched it out of English. Well, that's the unit. If you have any questions, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, good luck.